Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this short video I'm going to share with you a small secret of how you can make money by watching television. That sounds strange, isn't it? It's not strange. I've earned money watching television a number of times, but then for today it's your opportunity to also earn money watching television. So that's why I'm going to share with you that little secret, all that little information through this short video. Now, how do I earn money watching television? I earn money watching a certain television station from Japan called as NHK World. NHK World is the national broadcaster of Japan. You know that NHK World, I believe. So that NHK World, they actually recruit what they call as program monitors who will provide feedback on the programs which they do air. And for that feedback which you provide to the NHK World, they actually pay you money for each feedback form that you submit. So consider this: a TV station airing programs, recruiting you to actually submit a feedback on how the quality of their program was, and then you don't have to struggle with even composing the feedback form. They will provide you the feedback form. Then you submit back the feedback form after filling it through email, and they acknowledge that they have received the feedback form and they have accepted that feedback form, and then they pay you money. Why will you not take that opportunity? For sure. This is August 2nd, 2021. And there are countries where there are lockdowns, severe lockdowns, whereby you are not even allowed to work anywhere until the lockdown season is over. So why won't you take that opportunity and earn money by simply watching television and providing feedback to the television station? So they have recently, actually they have opened the application today. Today is on 2nd of August 2021, and the application period is ending on 13th of August 2021. So between now and 13th of August, you will be required to submit your application. And luckily enough, you don't have to have any qualifications, not even a small certificate, to be able to be a program monitor if they select you. The requirements are very, very, very basic. As long as you can speak and understand English and even write in English, those are the biggest qualification I consider it to be, because they recruit from every country all over the world. You don't have to be from a specific country, and you don't have to even be from maybe America or any other specific country. Anybody from any country in the world is allowed to participate in that program monitoring system, so that they earn money also from that program. Remember, the only limitation which I consider to be major is that they don't recruit their own people. In the sense, since it's a Japanese-based company, then they don't recruit program monitors from their own country. In the sense, if you're living in Japan, then you are not allowed to participate in the program. Not a problem at all, because maybe the Japan people are also allowed to participate in other program monitoring systems in other countries. So, but for this NHK World, they are not allowing their own citizens to perform in the program monitor program. Now, what are some of the benefits of participating in this as a program monitor of NHK World? Their programs are usually not long programs. Usually you'll find that between 25 to 30 minutes, a program is over. So if you monitor a program of 25 to 30 minutes, will that take the whole day that you can't do other activities? It can't. You will still be able to do other activities and combine it with that program monitoring system, so that you also add some earnings to your own salaries or to your own side hustle. Remember, it's free for anyone to participate. As long as you can apply nicely and you'll be selected, you'll be allowed to participate in the program. So how do you then apply? I'm going to include the video for application in the description section of this video. I'm going to include the link for the application in the description section of this video, so that you can apply and also inform others to apply for the program. Now remember, The application time is between today, 2nd of August 2021 until 13th of August 2021. So during that time, submit your application any time of the day. But if you miss to submit that application during that time frame, then the next season for applications will be in February 2022. But why will you wait for February 2022 when you have the opportunity? And I'm giving you this video today on the first day when they have just opened the applications. So take the opportunity and apply for that program monitoring program from NHK World Japan, and it's a trustable program. Trust me, I've been there, I've ever worked for them, and I've earned money with them. It's a trustable program, and remember, it's free for anyone to join. The requirements are very, very basic. Remember, your education doesn't matter. As long as you understand English and you can write in English and also use email, and a few other requirements like having a bank account. Will that prevent you from having a system that can earn you an extra money? Just a bank account. If you are 18 and over, just open a bank account and get into the system. So what will prevent you from that? Nothing at all. I believe nothing at all. I've earned money from there, and I believe you also can earn money from that system. So remember, I'm including the link for application to be a program monitor in the description section of this video. Make sure that you apply so that you'll be selected. I'm not the one selecting, I'm just promoting that system because of the fact that it can help you to earn money from watching TV. You can never earn money from watching TV from any other place apart from what I'm telling you. In case you know another place, you can recommend it to others. The way I'm doing it here for the NHK program. Remember, watching TV to earn money, it's almost miraculous, but then it's here. I'm telling you today. Ensure you apply. Don't miss to apply. It's free to apply. You don't spend a dime, maybe just for internet bundle and your time only. You don't have to spend any given money to submit the application. As long as you're connected to the internet and you spend some amount of time doing the application. So don't miss the opportunity to apply for this NHK World TV program monitor program. So having said that, I will especially encourage everyone, but specifically college students, to apply for this. Why? Because of the fact that college students, sometimes they lack money to actually use for their own expenses. And for that reason, I especially recommend this to them. I've helped others previously to get, just by informing them that this program exists, and they have applied and they have gotten money, and I believe it's also now your chance to get money from watching TV and being paid to just submit feedback on their program qualities. Especially college students, please, I'm insisting. When I was a student, I never knew such things like earning money by watching TV. So in this case, I'm giving you free information. Have you paid me any money to shoot this video? Have you paid me any money to upload this video? You have not. Why am I doing that? Because I want people to be empowered economically. And I may not be able to give you cash money in your hand, but if I can give you a system for you to earn a little bit more money from whichever source, that is important for me. Because I believe in one thing. The Chinese say, if you give a man fish if you give a man fish, then actually you've fed him for just one day. But if you teach him how to fish, you'll have fed him for the entire life. So you never know. I'm teaching you how to fish, and the fish you're going to get from what I'm teaching you, you never know, it could be the source of capital that will help you to earn some money from business or some other thing like that, or even just directly spending that money once you earn it. But remember, it's a free information I'm giving you, so don't think that anybody has paid me to shoot this video for you. No, it's just that I'm spending my time to help you to become slightly more economically empowered. And I like economically empowered people, because we should not continue surviving on systems which don't economically empower us. So once you become economically empowered, I believe the world can continue thriving in a better way. So don't forget, check in the description section of this video for the link to use to submit the application for a program monitor from NHK World Japan. Thank you very much. This is Conrad, your friend.